عام وأنتم بخير. عيدا عيد ونكسن الله نوديكو بشبشي وراقنا عيد دمبالا نوكرسي.
Watan fana su ana amka ukuniya ja uyalbore usikuri yalbore hitande de manga nan kalma shahada kan da ku malu bajen je ku.
Bonne fête de la Tabaski à tous les musulmans du monde, y compris à moi-même où je me trouve, à mes frères. Eid Mubarak.
Ako dun idi fún gbogbo ọmọ Mùsùlùmí lápapọ̀ lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin lọ́mọdé lágbà.
And he was the one who was scoring the most of beautiful goal in the league. From out of 18, you will give me that secret. From the middle, you can shoot to score.
You didn't in him. He scored.
You can score.
Not only that season.
No, this season, bro. That moment, I wanted to cry.
Even in the club, the whole country is the problem.
You see, but the way it's true. But the way it's true. Senior. Now the camera is there. Maybe you will take me in there one day. Yes, you are a foreigner, so you want to know
What's the expectation?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to Zakaria channel. So the Zakaria channel kega. Fadlan so subscribe, like, share, and we grow together. Fante. One this salame dema astabta. Nail walba adu wa kudawana wa kusalame dema anti mfante. And wherever you are watching me from, I'm greeting everybody. Please subscribe to Zakaria channel and we grow together. Mfante. Inshallah. So you watch us as we take you through the Masjid, or the biggest Masjid in Somalia, Mfante, on our Eid day.
take me there.
Inshallah.
Later you will see. So, but the league has ended. You're just preparing to go home.
Yeah. Okay. So how have you been spending Eid in Mogadishu?
Cannot be like the same when you're at home.
Yeah.
It's not easy, but you just try to manage.
You try to manage.
Yeah, you try to manage.
Like in your guys have been treating you well, right?
Yes, of course.
That's okay. So, Kawara, Marka Mogadishu Adwa Jogo.
Thank you. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. How are you, my friend? Eid Mubarak. Okay. Thank you for coming. How's the Eid in Mogadishu?
In Eid in Mogadishu is very nice. All Muslims, they were gathered here with the big mosque of Mogadishu. I'm very happy you guys to be with me here. Inshallah, I'm very happy today. So as long my brother and my friend here is with me.
I think every Eid you eat too much hilp, eh?
Yeah.
Some Eid can
Yeah. Inshallah waxa waay maanta waa maalintii hilibka waxaan rajeynayaa in hilib fiican la cuno marka idinkana inshallah waxa waay waxaan rajeynayaa inaad midqaanada yaa cuni doontaan. You will be with me inshallah.
You will eat me a lot. Today what are you planning to eat, or where are you planning to
we will eat meat, bro.
Inshallah.
Maybe if not today, tomorrow.
Yeah,
if we get chance, we have to go to maybe after pizza. Eh?
Yeah, double pizza.
Yeah,
we have to make
there or pizza house.
Okay,
but after this big one, there is another one in Somalia.
Yeah, other ones, but not
the other ones. This one is the biggest.
This one is the biggest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but there are nice other places.
Okay. Maybe you will take me in there one day. You are a foreigner, so you want to know
what's the expectation that you are feeling about when you are coming here?
Okay, not bad, bro. It's not bad, but you know the Eid, being at home and being at another place cannot be the same.
Okay.
The way you feel comfortable to home, you cannot feel the same way in another place. So, but it is not bad.
As long as
what do you expect from this?
Masjid, yeah. It's a
So
good man.
very good man, very good man, polite man.
Like the blower.
Yeah.
The blower.
Maybe
Masjid.
Yeah.
The blower makasi.
The blue, yeah.
The
The
blue
stubborn
makasi.
one.
No, no means stop.
This guy is the blower.
You normally disturb you in there.
Disturb you.
Too much blow.
I'm not sure.
Stop most, bro.
If this man is disturbing you, that is me. It's coming from you. It's coming from you.
The problem is not him.
Yeah, it's you. Because I know you, Senior. I know you. Senior, I know you, Senior. Senior, I know you.
You know me, I'm the problem.
Senior, you know.
Now we realize that you are the problem.
Because not only in the club, the whole country is the problem.
You see, by the way, it's true. By the way, it's true. Senior. No, the camera is there. Don't let me talk.
Everyone
Don't let me talk, Senior.
ask any player in this country about Zakaria.
Even Somalia.
Yeah, they know. Those one, not even men. Those one.
Yeah.
They know.
We are not going to mention the names. So, but
Manta Idu, I did Mahadi of Shek.
what are you going to tell us, the
Eid
people?
Mubarak. Finish.
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 Maya.
As long as you say it,
That's why I said Eid Mubarak.
It's okay.
What do you expect?
But
Kulibali.
I wish Eid Mubarak to all Muslims.
I've French pour hadlo.
a French.
Bonne fête de la Tabaski à tous les musulmans du monde, y compris à moi-même où je me trouve, à mes frères. Eid Mubarak.
So what do you have to tell your French people to subscribe to Zakaria channel?
This is the channel of Zakaria. I will post the link on my Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere, YouTube. Just join the channel of my brother. He's a good man. Please follow.
Thank you. French.
Now wait. You use French,
Somali.
you use Somali, you use Ghana, I use Nigeria language.
That's the best.
And while Janya Waya, baby phone la Idwa, Tampana Swanamka, Ukunia Ja, we are born, Secretary Albor, then the demand and Kalmashada can down whom I'll be. May all grant, Allah grant all gone souls a general for those. Then all those on sick beds, may He also grant them quick recovery. Those of us who are also walking around, we have sicknesses both inside and outside. May Allah heal all of us. Grant us all our heart desires. And we came here for a purpose. That's the reason we came here. May Allah open more doors of the game for us and grant us more unity. Noriyan anan jin lafiya ne yalwanta santun so mun na kutijano. Ye jaim beke more ki subscribe to Zakaria channel so that we grow together. Foreign players in Somalia we are here to have fun in Fante. So we are saying Eid Mubarak to the mountain. Eid and Kulu
And
Assalamu alaikum. Àpò ọdún ìdí fún gbogbo ọmọ Mùsùlùmí lápapọ̀ lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin lọ́mọdé lágbà gbogbo àgbáńlá ayé ọdún ìdí oníjàṣẹ̀mọ̀ fún gbogbo wa agbọ́rọ̀ Ọlọ́run nínú owó nínú ọlá nínú ẹ̀mí gbogbo àlàáfíà àti ìbálẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run fọ̀rọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn òkú tó ti kù látàṣìwà láyé náà Ọlọ́run fi ayé kẹwàá kó má yẹ̀yẹ́ wa kó fi gbogbo ọkọ̀ tá a fẹ́ kó fi kẹwàá ní agbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo ọkọ̀ tí oníkálukú wa ń gbàdúrà fún tá à ń lérò fún Ọlọ́run tó dá sí dáadáa fún ọ̀sọ̀tọ̀ fún wa àjùláwà ayé kọ́lọ̀ jẹ́ kí wá rí òkúta àkódólé.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لمان مسلمين تمر البوجوكتان وحال الله كل عام وأنتم بالخير عيد ونكسن الله نوديكو بشبشي وراقان عيد دمبالا نوغارسيو صاحبكي سكري يودمان دلنيرada garabkayga ahna waxaan leeyahay ciid mubaarak waxaan leeyahay صاحبكي سكريا channelkiisa subscribe hala dhaho ala soo follow gareeyo insha Allah taala TikTok channelkiisa insha Allah taala YouTube kiisa hala booqdo follow na la soo dhawo dhamaan mar walba joogtaan waxaan leeyahay nabad ku ciida
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Et vous souhaite bonne fête de la Tabaski à tous. À tous nos dauphins qui sont partis, on les souhaite aussi bonne fête de la Tabaski. Là où se trouve, que le bon Dieu ait pitié d'eux, qu'il les accorde le paradis. Et ceux qui sont aussi malades, que Dieu les accorde la santé. Ceux qui n'ont pas encore la santé, que Dieu les accorde plus la santé. Et ceux qui sont dans la santé, que Dieu nous accorde plus la santé. Et bien, juste vous souhaiter bonne fête de la Tabaski. Et essayez de... Il va vous partager peut-être le lien de mon frère Zakaria. Vous allez vous abonner à son compte YouTube, qu'il puisse avoir au moins des abonnés about grâce. Et pour conclure, on va terminer avec un bismillah. We close with bismillah, bro. The Fatiha.
Share Zakaria YouTube.
Yeah.
بسم الله
Bismillah.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
We also wanted when you are moving out the gate.
Can't be
For the first day when you start, where is it?
That one is small.
Okay.
But I kept only Zakaria. Hey, Zach. في عندك
We better sit here. No.
it's easy for us to go. It's good we go. We just
We come. We enter here, my friend.
Alhamdulillah. Today, Masjid.
You are just. Come on close.
So, hey,
أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بك.
Everybody this.
Yeah, because of
Oh, the white, yeah.
Yeah.
Saint Kulibale, how are you feeling now? You came here the second time, but you never enter here.
I didn't know that mosque is good like that. Wallahi.
It's very nice.
Now you are in the JP.
VIP. Because you are very
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. Inshallah. Shamura.
Shamura.
MashaAllah, inshallah.
MashaAllah, inshallah. The funniest thing, guy in Somalia. He become a viral in one.
Yeah, they say.
Yeah?
What are you? Shamura.
Inshallah.
Zakaria, I like videos. The video that is the video.
Everything. MashaAllah.
Yeah.
You can see I'm using 2 iPhone 13.
The big man.
Yeah, he has to wait.
This one is our sponsor.
High speed player. High speed for you.
So,
After him is the one.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm the one, the smallest. The big box is here.
Yeah, you see.
Is the black one. The big box.
Me, I'm the smallest.
No, you know that you are the stubborn man that you have.
The stubborn man, bro.
Everybody know I'm just only.
Yeah, you know that sometimes it's choking, eh? But most of the times you like playing. And
And he was the one who was scoring the most of beautiful goal in the league. From, bro, out of 18, you will give me that secret. From the middle, he can to score.
You didn't in Higgin. He scored.
You can score.
Not only that season.
No, this season, bro.
Every game I score.
Bro, that one, that moment, I wanted to cry.
Even he scored our friend called Hassan.
I think
It was in cons, eh?
you're in the MCC, huh?
Yeah, when I'm with them,
Hey, bro.
when I'm in Naked, I score you.
I was wondering, this one has a magic or what?
The moment he got the shoot.
So when
There was a goal he scored the Kedah against MCC. Last 2 seasons. My first season here.
I killed them, I say
From
was
outside, I was looking at that. And you know what? Outside shot, bro.
Bro, the day score against that goal, I was like, which one is it?
It's always unexpected. Nobody always think I can.
Hey. And that moment, this coming with the ball is running, and you shoot. Pah! Even the keeper will separate the
I
keeper.
was expected to score more, but Muhim is you just keep pushing.
All in all, yeah.
Whether rain or shine,
Yeah.
you have to always be on the place.
You know, every season in Somali Premier League, every season,
Everything is
their team
Yeah,
is
yeah.
changing.
Even it will become
Different
harder,
players,
harder.
yeah. You can see maybe 2 seasons ago, the league is tougher than this. Last season,
That's last season. Imagine, we don't know you are going to be the champion. Bro.
This season
This
was
season
one
was
of the best.
Hey, look at the fight,
That's
bro.
why every season
Like the first 4 team, they refused to. One refused to come to second.
refused,
The other
bro.
one refused to.
Yeah, imagine.
Everybody wants to beat.
Yeah.
The season that I've seen.
I think this is the best season.
Yeah, this is the best
Why
season.
not? Why not?
Every season.
Because no team want to lose his position.
No one, bro.
They are
No
just
one.
fighting for which position. Yeah.
Next season.
You don't want them
next
to
season
make.
will be more difficult than
The moment you're doing mistake, you just know, oh, I've killed myself, or I've died. Oh. The moment you do
And you will regret when you go back
again. When you even catch someone like this, that person was thinking, who is that one? You catch him, bro. Who catch? It's dead.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Come and speak to the camera.
عيد مبارك جماعة مسلمين تمام بدنا كجوتان خاصة أمة الصومالية علينا عيد مبارك.
dhammaan ummadda islaamka meel walba oo joogtaan waxaan idin leeyahay ciid mubaarak ciidul caafiya.
Bonne fête à tous les musulmans du pays du monde. Eid Mubarak. We wish you all.
مبارك كل عام وانتم بخير تقبل الله منا صالح الاعمال عيد الكفار
aniga Zakaria يعني حتى ذيك اللي هي from Ghana.
You know your job. You have 1,000 followers. You go. That place will never be hard. I will go and take somebody's. My friend, where's your shoes? Somebody owns. Oh, I can walk like this. They take the shoes of the man who. I walk like no problem, wala. I need this estate to be there.
Zakaria.
Okay. That one is
You buy it how much?
Money. People will just come
in Ghana. They bought it like.
Today's Eid was indeed an amazing one as we meet, and I and Masjid meet our fellow foreign players from Hagan, Koulibaly, and my namesake from Ivory Coast and Kenya, respectively. Like, and this guy is Somali Sejuba, Mafanta Somali wa yaqaan. Inshallah hadda xafada waa socda ma fahanteen meel walba oo ku daawana so subscribe, like, share, and we grow together ma fahanteen rabaa inaan ku mahadsan dhammaantiin for always following Zakaria channel, and we are bringing it to the end of the mukal for today, and have a nice day as we see other people enjoying themselves, taking several pictures and having fun along the line ma fahanteen. So now we are heading towards the house. Inshallah, see you another time. Eid Mubarak, Eid ونكس in the mountain. كل عام وأنتم بخير.